Well, it's been almost 2 weeks since I put a little video out, so I thought I'd do a catch-up today and let you all know what's been happening. So, recent events, the Samhain Festival and my family's get-together, brought up the subject of space here in the sitting room. And after my family had left and I was thinking about the sitting room and the space and more grandchildren that I have, I thought I would do a little bit of a rejig of the furniture to create more space. So that's how all this started. You can see there just in the corner, the Queen Anne chair, there was a chest of drawers there, that's gone. And on the other side of the fireplace there was a bookcase, that's gone. And I've moved stuff around and you can see there's a lot more space. Now, the interior of Irish cottages, which of course this is an Irish cottage, is usually quite dark. And so one's eye is drawn to the windows, the glass, you're looking outside. And of course I have planted 3 acres of beautiful, lush, deciduous woodland. So it's lovely to look out. So I thought then about painting the walls, and rather than keeping them light, I would be very dramatic and go for a very dark claret red, which would make anything I have on the walls pop. A bit like the colour of the cottage that I did on the exterior last year. And yeah, so I've started painting. Now you don't see it here, but I will show you the final look. So it's going to be quite different. And I'm going to be moving a few things off the walls. I'm just going for a new look. And of course outside, here in the woodland, look, there's been masses of rain. We've had flooding. But of course, everything's flowing beautifully here. Lots and lots of mushrooms as well. Lots of fungi. So the pond is filled. The leaves are falling from the trees. There's been work going on here in the woodland as well, because the coppicing and the pollarding and the tidying up continues. And I'm going to be getting some more gravel for the driveway here. That's another big task, laying that. But in and around the cottage itself, the woodland gives way to a vegetable garden. And so there's been a lot of tidying up going on in the vegetable garden, some weeding, and yeah, so the work has been continuing both inside and outside the cottage. And so far, of course, I've been blessed with this late autumn, which is merging into winter, because of course Samhain is the beginning of winter. And it's just such a beautiful time. It's a beautiful time to be outdoors. So I'm trying my best to spend as much time outdoors as indoors. So my usual thing, I'm flitting between the cottage and the woodland and the vegetable garden and the pond and the stream and the well, just to make the most of this time of year. Shorter days, longer nights, so the daytime and the light is so precious. So, lots of food here in the vegetable garden. This beautiful temperate climate allows me to continuously grow. So lots of parsley and leeks and greens, lots of greens, and even lots of herbs still going. So thank you for visiting Woodland Cottage and the Cottage Diaries. I think that for the time ahead, it will be very much just keeping up with what's happening here and what I'm doing, because there's so much work to do at this time of year. So blessings to you all. And for those of you who are interested in the books that I write, you will find a link below to the Mythical Cottage website, which, like this YouTube channel, has absolutely no advertising. So you're free to browse through, let me see, how many years have I been writing on the website? I think it's about from 2010. So there's 13 years and literally thousands upon thousands of photographs of the work that I've done here at Mythical Cottage over the years. So I hope you visit again, and perhaps you'd like to like this video and maybe even subscribe. Blessings to you all.